Let your shoulders relax. Let your chest completely relax. Your abdomen, your upper back, your lower back. Let that relax completely. Your thighs relax completely. Your feet completely relax. Each and every finger of the feet relax. Now take your healing hands. These are your healing hands. And just as you are touching your body parts, a ray of light is coming from your healing hands and going in and relaxing and healing that part. So start from your forehead. The healing hands is emitting the beautiful white light, the healing light, and is healing your brain and is healing your skin, your nerves, your neck, your throat, your shoulders, your upper back and lower back, your both the feet, and let yourself relax completely. Become more present. Once you are ready, I would love you to just open up your eyes and just come up. Great. Normally I take class one-to-one sessions from 11, but today it's from 10, so I'm ready actually. Otherwise, the morning 4:30 to 9:30, I'm like, I don't get ready. I get ready when I'm taking one-to-one. The morning session, I just want to take in a normal, easy way. All right. Okay. Quiz time. Okay, so all of you get ready for the quiz, for the test. Ready for the test? Let's see. All right. First question. So you will answer in the chat. Okay, the first answer, whosoever will answer first will be the winner of that question. Our focus is like dash, so we must focus on what we dash. So 2 blanks. Our focus is like dash, so we must focus on what we dash. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Who knows the answer? Our focus is like dash, so we must focus on what we dash. Because I would love each and everything to go inside you, right? It's not a teaching where I'll be teaching. You are being a new person now. After this, you will think about your health in a different manner, right? That's my goal. Okay, one answer came, focus on what we want. Yeah, that's true. And then what is the first one? Shakuntala, that's right. But what's the first blank? Our focus is like concrete. It's a concrete thing. It's a solid thing. Don't think of your focus as like, so your focus is like concrete. Okay. So the answer is concrete. So we must focus on what we want. Half marks cut. Okay. Let's go to the second one. Drop your dash to the symptoms. Withdraw your dash from the illness. Come on. Drop your dash to the symptoms. Withdraw your dash from the illness. What was there? Okay. Drop your dash to the symptoms. Withdraw your dash from the illness. Drop your attention to the symptoms. Okay. The answer is focus. Okay. Resistance and attention. Yeah, Sangeeta has won the game, won this one. Resistance and attention. Withdraw your focus. Yes. So drop your resistance. Why is this happening? I don't know. Every time this happens, and now what will happen? And I don't want to. Resistance. Allowing it, right? No resistance. So drop your resistance to the symptoms and withdraw your attention from the illness. So if your head is aching, it will be a difficult thing, but withdraw your attention from your head. Do anything else but not think about your head. Okay, so think about the nature, think about how beautiful this 2026 is, think about how amazing parents you have got, think about how amazing your other part of your health is, but stop thinking about that part which is aching. Very difficult to do, but very effective. Got it? So drop your resistance and withdraw your focus from the illness. Don't keep pronouncing I'm ill, I'm ill, I'm ill. My head is aching, my head is aching, my head is aching, my head is aching. अरे पता है मेरा सर बहुत दर्द कर रहा है, पता है कितना दर्द हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कोई हथौड़ा मार रहा है, पता है. We just describe it so beautifully. Have you seen it? We love to describe it. It's feeling like it's somebody is putting up that hathoda. It's feeling like I will just come down. As soon as I'm getting up ना ऐसा feel हो रहा है कि मैं गिर जाऊंगी. We just describe. We love to describe it beautifully, right? So stop that. Number 3. Come on. Who is the winner? Instead of overcoming the illness, focus on creating what? Instead of overcoming the illness, focus on creating what? Instead of overcoming the illness, focus on creating. Instead of overcoming the illness, focus on creating what? Acha, one answer. Focus on creating well-being, good life, good health, life or dreams, good health. Yeah, so instead of overcoming on the illness, focus on creating new health, new life, right? Correct. So all are right. A good life, good health. Correct. Focus on well-being. Beautiful. Correct. All are right. So because we have to focus on what we want. Getting it? Is it going inside, becoming part of you? Where you will focus on well-being. Okay. 2 more. We must vibrate dash than the disease. We must vibrate dash than the disease. Quickly. We must vibrate dash than the disease. Higher, yay, Jennifer. Higher than the disease, right? So our vibration should be higher than the disease. We cannot afford to vibrate at the same level and expect. We need to vibrate higher than the disease. And how can we do that? Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body. So that song. Last. Your dash emotions about the body part is what manifest. Very important. Your dash emotions about the body or any body part is what actually manifests. Okay, one answer. Predominant. Wrap that. Correct. Your predominant emotion, right? Your predominant emotion, the emotions. If I wake you up at 3 a.m. and ask you about your skin, you should be, oh my God, I love my skin. I know how smooth it is. Oh my God, it's how glowing it is. So you should be in love with it rather than, अरे पता है मेरे pimples बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं, अरे पता है जाती हूँ ना मैं बाहर तो मेरे बहुत जल्दी tan हो जाता है, अरे पता है. Stop. Stop. Okay, so your predominant emotion about the body or part is what manifests. All right, let's move up. So I had a client who was lactose intolerant, and she told that in the starting I wanted to just become cool because I'm a singer. So I just wanted to be a cool, and I started telling it to my friends, oh, you know, I'm lactose intolerant. And slowly, and I really became lactose intolerant. So as soon as I used to drink a glass of milk or any mithai jiske andar doodh hota tha, I used to fall ill for a week or so, right? So that's how bad it became. It was not the truth, but I started saying that because of becoming cool, and it became my truth slowly. Now, when she understood the whole knowledge, now to apply that, we created a new story for her. The new story was, I am lactose super tolerant. So she started to say that, oh, I digest milk so beautifully. My body loves how beautifully it digests milk. With milk, every single thing works. With milk, my skin is improving. With milk, my body is improving. With milk, I'm getting so much of strength. I am lactose super tolerant. New story. Right? And slowly, that lactose intolerance wali story started to become smaller, and she actually became completely lactose intolerant because it was a story that she has created. She changed the story and the things changed. Learned something, just nod your head. Learned, right? So you can do it for anything, any disease possible, right? So belief is actually the magic pill. What's the magic pill here? Belief. Take a sentence and just own it as if in any mandir, masjid, gurudwara, people say you go to that Kamakhya mandir, na this your kamna get. You go to Vaishno Devi, na this happens. You go to that, na that. Do you know for some people it will happen and for some people it will not happen? Why? Belief. How much do you believe? How much do you believe in your mentor? How much do you believe in God? How much do you believe in the book? If you are reading a book, do you believe that line? If you really believe that line, you will take that line and make it your. ये यार ये लाइन लिखा है बुक में तो कुछ तो होगा. Let me use it in my life. Are you getting me? So start using it. So belief is the magic pill which will actually change everything. So for the throat, anybody has that throat infection where you have throat infection and then everything in your body starts to go for toss? Jennifer, great. So I would love to give a solution for this. Anytime that itchiness starts in throats, where you have that throat infection, then heart congestion, and then you fall ill for a long time. Anytime you start seeing that congestion happening in your throat, at that time only I would love you to use the body scanning where the golden light is filling your throat and it's healing it, and then it's going to a complete body, and just heal it at that point only. Don't let it go worse. When you start to feel it thoda thoda, kich 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 kich, at that point I would love you to just cut it then and there. So just take a minute, imagine the whole golden healing light healing your throat, healing your complete body, and you are feeling perfectly great. You are feeling great about your throat. You are able to do whatever you need to do, and you will see that it will just go away. So no 1 week or 1 month of suffering. The time when it comes, just stop it then and there. So golden healing light entering your body and healing each and every part. It works like a magic. Okay, only if you believe it. That's my problem, right? So believe and do it. Second, anybody who has car sickness, when we go in mountains, we are like, I'm feeling like vomiting. Jennifer, okay, all right, okay, me too. So what we need to do, so whenever my husband has actually a lot of car sickness, so now we started something new. As soon as you sit in the car, or wherever you are going for that mountain wala roads, I would love you to say to yourself, I am like water. You are not going to resist. Normally we resist, right? Car is going this side and we'll be, we'll be resisting, right? Now what we need to do? We need to become non-resistant. That means, okay, I am like water. Who am I? I'm like water. So rather be with the bus, be with the car, rather than nahin. Be with the car. Okay, car is going this side, all right. This side, all right. So I am like water will be your new belief. Who am I? I'm like water. I can easily flow. And you will see that never you will actually have that car sickness again. The day I imagine this and I portray this and I believe this and I sit with that I'm like water, I can just move with it. So all your beliefs are manifesting in your health. Start creating new beliefs, right? So I have one more belief, strong belief, that if I do not take my 8 hours sleep, the next day is very bad for me. It's very important for me to take 8 to 10 hours sleep, proper sleep, because I have to work the whole day. And if I have not taken 8 to 10 hours sleep, my next day will be very bad. Anybody with that belief? That sleep is very, very important. If I will not sleep properly, my next day is a waste. Right? Yes, Sangeeta. All right. So for this, I used to have this belief, a very strong belief, that sleep is very, very important. It is, no doubt in that. But what used to happen, because of some reason, if my family members came or we went to a party or something happened, and because of which we slept a little bit late at 12 or 1, the next day used to be a very bad day for me, like, because I had that strong belief, right? I have not slept well. मैं सोई नहीं हूँ ठीक से, मैं सोई नहीं हूँ ठीक से, मैं सोई नहीं हूँ ठीक से. I don't know how will this day be. One of my friends said, I was just discussing this with one of my friend, and that friend said, actually, the day I sleep less, I have more energy. I picked up that belief. Okay, when I sleep less, I have more energy. It was her belief. राइट, शी सेड पता है मैं तो जब कम सोती हूँ ना मुझे लगता है नेक्स्ट डे मुझे ज्यादा एनर्जी रहती है. ओके, ऑल राइट, लेट मी पिक अप दैट बिलीफ. The day I sleep less, I actually have the same energy as I have the days I sleep my 8 hours. So the day I sleep less, I have such deep sleep that I have the same energy for the next day also. Beautiful belief, right? Again, take it, gifting you. The day I sleep, so that doesn't mean you are not going to sleep, take proper sleep, but the day you are not able to, don't give yourself the story, मेरा कल का दिन बहुत गंदा जाने वाला है. कल तो आई विल बी लाइक अ ज़ॉम्बी, कल तो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू प्रोसेस इन्फॉर्मेशन, कल तो मुझे आधी चीज़ समझ में नहीं आएगी बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट स्लेप्ट प्रॉपरली, राइट? सो आर न्यू बिलीफ. सो आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू कैन यूज फॉर एनी थिंग एंड एवरी थिंग फॉर दिस हेल्थ? Are you getting it? Are you learning ideas? Are you getting the idea? That's how I would love you to. Now, anytime you have a fever, you have a joint pain, you have a back pain, ये तो हर दिन की कहानी है, right? So back pain, joint pain, head pain, all the pains in the body. I told you yesterday that I'll give you solutions for all, right? So anytime you're having all of this pain, all of you have got that song, every little cell in my body is happy, every little cell in my body is strong. I would love you to put that song even in the fever, even in not feeling well, sit and dance. You cannot stand, okay. Can you sit and dance on that? Right? So I would love you to see your entire body like a big smiley, your every cell like a smiley, 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 smiley face, smiley, smiley, smiley. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is strong. And I would love you to really sing that song and see your every cell in the body like a smiley, smiley face, and your complete body smiling because they are feeling so beautiful. Now, when you are working on the cell level, fever or any pain cannot exist. Ready to try this? Or when you are feeling non-energetic, कि मेरे में तो कोई एनर्जी नहीं बाकी रही है, I'm feeling somebody has just taken out all the energy out of my body, then also. Okay, so if you can, preferably if you can stand up. If you cannot stand up because you have such high fever or something like that, and as soon as you can do, don't wait for fever to go 104 degree फिर करोगे. As soon as you start feeling this symbol. So along with the medicines, I would love you to use mind body together for your healing all the time, because you are very, very strong. You have forgotten that. Your mind is very strong. You can actually create any health. When diseases like cancer can be healed, ये सब तो छोटी चीज है. In the Secret movie, there was one place where there was a gratitude rock that his friend gave him, and the boy uses for the cure of his son. He was going through a very difficult health problem, the friend's son, and the gratitude rock was, every time you have to keep this gratitude rock. So gratitude rock concept is very simple. You have to take any rock which looks good, any small rock. Oh no, nice, Jennifer, good. So any rock, okay, any rock, take a rock and keep it on your table. I would love you to take that rock, hold in your palms and say, and just talk about all the great things. So he used for his son, I'm so grateful that my son can walk, I'm so grateful my son can smile, I'm so grateful my son can eat, I'm so grateful my son's digestive system. So all the good things about his son, for 5 minutes he used to hold it and talk about all the great things his son is able to do. Again, putting the focus where? What he wants, not what he doesn't want. So this gratitude rock also works like magic. In the next month, we will be using we'll go very deep in gratitude, and you will see actual magic happening. A very magic in very large sense. If you follow to the T properly with the proper belief, you will see it happening. So the gratitude rock you can use for health, for any area of your life which you want to, right? Rather than complaining about that area, have a lot of gratitude about that area, and things will start to change in that area. Health, wealth, relationship, career, happiness, any area you can use. Understood? So that's the gratitude rock concept. You can use it for your health. every year at this time, now many people we have this belief, every year this time ना मेरी तबीयत खराब होनी ही है, ठंड बढ़ती है ना तो मुझे थोड़ा सा जुकाम हो ही जाता है, मैं थोड़ा सा आइसक्रीम खा लेती हूँ ना मुझे थोड़ा जुकाम हो जाता है, अरे मैं रात में मैंने दही खा ली ना तो मुझे होना ही होना है, मैं ट्रैवल करने चली गई ना वो बहुत हिली, स्टॉप, stop, give blessing to your health, what are you doing, right? So stop telling yourselves, all of you are laughing because all of you are able to understand what we do, but from now onwards you will be more careful, right? So every year at this time this happens, a belief, if one person, एक को वायरल होता ना सबको हो जाता है, have you heard this belief, popular belief and so many people has it, so we catch it कि हाँ हाँ ये तो सही ही होगा ना, सब बोलते हैं तो अच्छा, किसी एक को हार्ट अटैक होता है तो दूसरे को होता है क्या, तो why are we catching that belief कि नहीं नहीं वो तो वायरस है ना, वो तो कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज है ना मनीषा, इसलिए please change the belief, let's change the belief, right? I cannot catch it because I am protected by divine light, nothing can happen to me because I'm protected by divine light, by God's light, by God's grace. Health is one area where, because my beliefs are so strong, I rarely get ill, rarely. I don't remember when was the last time I cancelled because I am not well. I don't remember that. So it's possible. Very, very, very possible. All of you will try this. No, every year this happens. If you want to create some good belief, जैसे ही ठंड आती है मुझे तो पता नहीं कहाँ से बहुत एनर्जी आ जाती है, जैसे ही गर्मी आती है मुझे लगता है कि ओ माय गॉड आई जस्ट फील सो गुड इन माय बॉडी. कैन यू डू दैट? स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग न्यू बिलीव्स. Every morning when I wake up, every morning when I wake up, I feel new energy in my body. हेलो
हाँ मैम बोल रहे थे ना,
भारती, मैं 2 मिनट बाद कॉल करती हूँ.
ठीक है मैम.
So every year at this time, any such belief, change it. Then if you go in the rain, you will fall ill. Anybody heard that? अगर जाके बारिश में भीग गए तो, again, pure water is what बारिश का water is. Have you heard that in science? Read that in science? Pure water. क्यों तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी? अब पानी में भीग के ऐसे बैठे रहेंगे तो तबीयत तो खराब, दैट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग. बट बारिश में भीगने से तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी? नहीं नहीं नहीं, बाहर बारिश में, क्योंकि बचपन से हमने सुना, हमने अपने बच्चों को बताया और फिर सब बारिश में मत भीगो तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी, बारिश में मत भीगो. स्टॉप. If when I actually, rain is a very good manifesting energy. So when you want to, you can imagine money flowing up, you can imagine amrit flowing like a nectar, you can imagine all the great thing happening with the rain, right? So imagine money as a manifesting thing. Okay, so I imagine rain as a manifesting thing rather than getting scared. Rain is a very good, actually a thing to help you manifest things faster. Whenever I do this, this happens. Do you know, whenever I just gave the example, very important, last one, as you grow older your knees get this, अरे 30 के बाद तो हड्डियां ऐसी हो जाती है, and all the ads also targets that, right? डिलीवरी के बाद तो पता है ये बहुत वीक हो जाता है, बैक बहुत वीक हो जाता है, ये बहुत right?
I heard this a lot.
Lot, right?
Nowadays, it is kind of anthem.
Yes, yeah, yes, true. It's like an anthem, and we are repeating, and then we are thinking. In Europe, I have 2-3 clients from Europe, and they were like कि मनीषा, you know, यहाँ पे 90+, 93+ के लोग भी हाइकिंग कर रहे होते हैं और हमसे आगे रहते हैं, 93, 94, 95 ईयर्स के. वी आर नॉट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो कंडीशनिंग ही नहीं है कि वो 93, 94 वाले ऊपर चढ़ के और वो ठोका ठोकी कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज नो कंडीशनिंग लाइक इंडिया की. इंडिया ठोका ठोकी मीन्स वो, देयर इज नो कंडीशनिंग लाइक इंडिया कि आफ्टर 30 योर बोन्स गेट वीक, आफ्टर 30 यू आर गेटिंग दिस, एंड आफ्टर 30 इट्स अ बिलीफ, एंड मेनी ऑफ यू विल गेट फ्रीड विद दिस कि 30 के बाद मेरे साथ ये. अरे 30, अभी तो तुम बच्चे हो, अभी तो शुरू किए हो जीना. 30-40 में बोलने लगे कि मैं तो गई. You have just started your life. Everything is perfect. So as I grow older, I am getting stronger. All of you, take this belief. As I'm growing older, I'm getting stronger. I'm getting more beautiful. I'm getting more stronger. My skin is more supple. As I'm growing older, my energy is increasing. I'm loving it. My father is actually around 65 years of age. And there was, we went to this kids zone where there was a lot of rassi pakad pakad ke they had to go from one part to the other part. I was not able to do. My husband was not able to do. Two people were able to do out of 10. Do you know who are those two people? Misha and my father. We all, hum sab gir gaye. And he was, because he had a belief ki I have, and he had this very strong belief because he keeps repeating, I am younger than the youngest people. I'm younger than the youngest of people. Then in my sister's marriage, we had this competition. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? What do we say that? जो जिम में करते हैं लोग, push-ups. Push-up. So there was a push-up competition, and it was push-up competition was for the young boys. My father said, I will also participate in that, and we were like, Papa, you don't I will not only participate, I will win. And he actually won it. He won it with 20s and 30s. And he's 65. It's his belief. So can we take his belief? Let's take his belief. We are getting younger. We are getting stronger. I'm stronger than the strongest. Take that belief. As I'm growing older, I'm growing stronger. It's a very liberating belief, right? Correct. All of you learned something, got some beliefs changed, helpful, valuable. If yes, just nod your head. Very important to change the amazing. Thank you so much. Great. All right. So we'll meet tomorrow again. We are already 10 and we will go and carry from here onwards. Okay. All right. So thank you so much, Sangeeta. Love you. Bye, Bharat. Bye, Harshita. Love you more. Jennifer, love you, love you, love you. Dr. Jayashree, love you more. Take care. Love you all so much. Sending all the love and blessings. Let's do our soul hug and then we will go and meet tomorrow. Love you. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I love rain. Mumbai is the hell. Yes. Correct. Bye. Take care.